Nature's Healing TV presents Blood Building Juice, the natural secret to restoring strength and vitality fast. Are you always tired, weak, dizzy, or feeling like your body just doesn't have enough strength? Do you wake up exhausted even after sleeping? What if I told you that your body might not be lacking sleep, but lacking blood strength? Today, I'm revealing a powerful, natural blood-building juice that has been used in traditional healing for generations. A simple but potent combination that can help nourish your blood, restore your energy, and bring your body back to life. Stay with me, because this could change how you feel every single day. Blood is life. In both traditional wisdom and modern science, blood carries oxygen, nutrients, and energy to every part of your body. When your blood is weak, your whole system suffers. You may experience constant fatigue, pale skin, shortness of breath, frequent illness, low concentration, cold hands and feet. In many cultures, especially across Africa and Asia, natural plant-based remedies have been trusted for blood building long before synthetic supplements existed. And today, we're bringing that ancient wisdom right into your kitchen. Section 1. Why you may have low blood. Let's be real, modern lifestyles are draining your blood. Common causes include poor diet lacking iron and vitamins, excessive stress, blood loss especially in women, frequent illness, processed foods with little nutrition, parasitic infections, overworking your body without proper nourishment. Your body needs key nutrients like iron, folate, vitamin B12, vitamin C. Without these, your body struggles to produce healthy red blood cells. And when your red blood cells are low, your energy drops. Section 2. The powerful blood-building ingredients. Now let's talk about the stars of this powerful juice. 1. Beetroot, the blood booster king. Beetroot is rich in iron, folate, and nitrates that help improve blood flow and increase red blood cell production. Benefits: boosts hemoglobin levels, improves circulation, enhances oxygen delivery, gives you natural energy. 2. Carrots, the cleanser. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene and antioxidants that help cleanse the blood and support liver function. Benefits: detoxifies the body, supports blood purification, strengthens immunity. 3. UGU, fluted pumpkin leaves, a powerful traditional African blood tonic. Benefits: extremely rich in iron, supports rapid blood regeneration, commonly used for anemia recovery. 4. Dates, natural sweet blood builder. Dates provide iron and natural sugars that give instant energy. Benefits: boosts iron levels, fights fatigue, strengthens the body. 5. Ginger, the activator. Ginger helps the body absorb nutrients better. Benefits: improves digestion, enhances nutrient absorption, boosts circulation. 6. Lemon, vitamin C powerhouse. Vitamin C helps your body absorb iron more effectively. Benefits: increases iron absorption, strengthens immunity, adds freshness. Section 3. How to prepare the blood-building juice. Now let's get practical. Ingredients: 1 medium beetroot, 2 carrots, a handful of fresh ugu leaves, 4 to 5 dates, remove seeds, a small piece of ginger, juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup of water. Preparation steps. Step 1. Wash all ingredients thoroughly. Step 2. Peel the beetroot and carrots. Step 3. Chop everything into small pieces. Step 4. Add into a blender. Step 5. Add water and blend until smooth. Step 6. Strain if you prefer lighter texture, optional. Step 7. Add fresh lemon juice and mix well. Your blood-building juice is ready. Section 4. How to use for maximum results. For best results, drink once daily in the morning on an empty stomach, or drink in the evening for recovery. Use consistently for at least 2 to 3 weeks. What to expect? Increased energy within days, improved skin glow, reduced dizziness, better strength and stamina. Section 5. Traditional wisdom vs modern science. Our ancestors didn't have capsules or syrups. They relied on nature. In many African homes, ugu juice is given to new mothers, people recovering from illness, those with low blood. Modern science now confirms beetroot improves blood flow, leafy greens boost iron, vitamin C enhances absorption. What tradition knew, science is now proving. Section 6. Important warnings. While this juice is powerful, keep this in mind. If you have a serious medical condition, consult your doctor. Do not rely solely on this if you have severe anemia. Avoid excessive intake. Moderation is key. This is a natural support, not a replacement for medical care. Your body is speaking to you through weakness, fatigue, and low energy. Don't ignore it. Sometimes, the solution is not complicated. It's natural, simple, and already around you. Start nourishing your blood. Start rebuilding your strength. Start today. Because when your blood is strong, your life becomes strong. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with someone who needs strength, and subscribe to Nature's Healing TV for more powerful natural remedies. Stay healthy, stay strong, and stay connected to nature. This video is for educational and traditional knowledge purposes only, and it is not a substitute for professional medical advice or diagnosis, so be warned.